I managed to get a street food chef at the food market to show me his secret chicken method, and I could not wait to try it at home in the oven. I made these chicken drumsticks using what he showed me, and this is the only way I make chicken drumsticks now. Here is my take on this recipe, but made in the oven. First, place a plastic bag inside a bowl. Then, add about 8 or 9 chicken drumsticks. Then, season them with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Seal the bag and massage the chicken well so the seasoning gets all over the drumsticks. Then, let it marinate for 30 minutes. The chef at the market used chicken drumsticks with the skin on, and honestly, that is probably the tastier way to make them. But my husband always wants skinless chicken, so that is what I'm using here. While the chicken is marinating, crack 1 egg into a small bowl. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of salt and whisk it for a few seconds until the yolk and white come together and the egg looks smooth. Then open up the plastic bag and pour the whisked egg right over the chicken drumsticks. Another thing I like about doing it this way is that it is pretty mess-free, since most of the mixing happens inside the bag. Seal the bag again, hold the top closed, and massage the chicken through the bag until the egg gets all over each piece and the drumsticks look evenly covered. Once that is done, open up the bag again and add 2 tablespoons of starch to the chicken drumsticks. I'm using cornstarch here, but the chef said potato starch works too, so use whichever one you already have. The starch helps take away that slippery egg feeling and gives the chicken a light, even layer before it goes into the oven. Seal the bag one more time and massage everything through the bag, turning the drumsticks around as you go until each piece looks evenly covered without any dry patches. Now, place the chicken drumsticks on a parchment paper covered baking sheet and bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the outside looks crispy and golden. While the chicken is in the oven, I like to make a little sauce with some mayonnaise, a little ketchup, some mustard, a bit of yogurt or sour cream, and a few chili flakes. Then I just stir it until it looks smooth. It goes really well with the chicken and gives the drumsticks that creamy, tangy little dip on the side. I also make a quick salad with bell pepper, cucumber, tomatoes, spring onion, and a little salt, just to have something fresh next to the chicken. But honestly, you can serve these drumsticks with anything you like, and rice, potatoes, flatbread, or just some simple vegetables would all work really well here. These chicken drumsticks come out juicy, golden, and full of flavor. I made them in the oven, but you can certainly make them on the grill or deep fry them too. If you liked this easy chicken drumstick recipe, hit the like button and tell me how yours turned out. And before you go, check out my latest recipe videos here because I think you will really enjoy those too. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.